In this video, you are going to learn how to unnest the audio and video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. I already posted a video on how to do nesting in Premiere Pro. In that video, I mentioned that when you create a nest, a new subsequence is automatically created and you can access it anytime from the project panel. Now, based on my experience, I think there is only one proper way to unnest clips. But if you know any other methods, feel free to share them in the comments section. I'd love to learn from you too. Alright, now follow the steps carefully as I show you. First, head over to the project panel where you can see your nested subsequence. Double click on it so that it opens as a separate sequence in the timeline. As you can see, there are two sequences now. One is your main project timeline and the other one is nested sequence file. Now select all the clips inside the nested sequence by pressing Ctrl or Command plus A, then copy them using Ctrl or Command plus C. Next, go back to your original timeline, move the playhead to the point where you want to paste these clips and then press Ctrl or Command plus V to paste them into the timeline. This way, without disturbing your original nested clip, you have successfully unnested your clips. And yes, the same process works perfectly for audio files as well. That's it guys. This is how you can unnest clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials and YouTube related videos.